Hello friends, today we are going to install the BMW M chain tensioner. First put the bike in the center stand and make sure the wheel is jammed so that it wouldn't drop down. Then pick your socket and remove the wheel nut and then the axle. Now remove the adjusting plate with the bolt and the locking nut. You will end up a pair of these plates and bolts, and we need to take out the locking nut for the new M chain tensioner because they don't come with a locking nut. Since everything is removed, it's a really good opportunity to clean. The new M tensioner with the old locking nut. Now install the new tensioner and adjust the tension on both sides. Now put the axle back and then tighten the wheel nut according to your correct torque setting from the manual. Okay, that's all. It's done. The new M tensioner looks great and it would be easy to tighten.